At Device42, we understand our customers want to create incredible products and services. This requires being aggressive about your response and resolution to issues in order to support that. And understanding the availability of your applications and services is going to require a strong source of truth and that is constantly up to date, in particular, what we believe to be discovery. And this really empowers IT teams to understand their enterprise and the infrastructure providing their services. This is an example of a business application in Device42, and we can see the tiers of this application, and this is all sourced by discovery. Device42 is collecting detailed granular information about your compute environments to understand the types of services, is there replication across these systems, does this database talk to a cluster? So if we know there are failures, what is downstream from this particular database in this example, and who might be negatively impacted from that? And this is going to keep a time series of this data so we can understand the changes to the environment and notify you when we find changes that occur. So we could see back in October, our application is quite less complex. There are only a few systems as opposed to what it looked like today with a lot more growing complexity around that particular application. We started doing the same things with your buildings, locations, rooms, and data center environments, so we can actually start to see even from a physical location what racks are in your data center, what infrastructure is mounted within those racks. Is it a VMware or vCenter ESX host, and where do you have clusters and child relationships across that? So we might be able to understand these VMs on this particular ESX host, they're also backed by vMotion, and they would replicate across our cluster. And as we start to think about our hosts and the infrastructure supporting our virtualization platforms, it's very important to understand the storage that that's backed by. With the addition of ArrayIQ by Device42, we can even see the disks for all the VMs that are powering our applications and the compute, what data stores, fiber channel connections, and ESX hosts to the actual LUNs and storage arrays that are supporting our enterprise applications. With Device42, this could be one of the only solutions to really get discovery across your entire enterprise and understand the full stack relationships across your services and products.